Hi there, and welcome to our channel. If you run a dispensary and are looking for ways to boost your revenue, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into recapture campaigns and how they can help increase your dispensary's revenue. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a recapture campaign? It's a marketing strategy aimed at bringing back customers who have previously made purchases but haven't been around for a while. These campaigns re-engage past customers and encourage them to return. Let's talk about why these campaigns are so important. First, they're cost-effective. Acquiring new customers can be expensive, but retaining existing ones is much cheaper. Second, recapture campaigns can increase customer loyalty. Engaging with past customers regularly helps build stronger relationships, which means more repeat business for you and boosted revenue. Now, let's dive into how you can create an effective recapture campaign. Step 1. Segment your customer base. Analyze your customer database to identify those who haven't shopped with you in a while. Segment these customers based on their purchase history and preferences. Step 2. Craft compelling messages. Personalize your messages with the customer's name and past purchases. Highlight new arrivals, special offers, or upcoming events that could interest them. Step 3. Choose the right channels. Use communication channels your customers prefer, like email and SMS, but don't overlook social media. Step 4. Incentivize return visits. Offer discounts, exclusive deals, or loyalty points to entice customers to come back. Make these offers time-sensitive. And Step 5. Automate and monitor your campaigns. Use marketing automation tools to send timely and relevant messages. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Here are some best practices. Personalize your messages, maintain a consistent communication schedule, ensure each message has a clear call to action, and continuously test and optimize your campaigns. To wrap it up, recapture campaigns are a powerful tool for increasing dispensary revenue. By effectively segmenting your customers, crafting personalized messages, choosing the right channels, offering incentives, and automating your process, you can successfully re-engage inactive customers and drive repeat business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on dispensary marketing. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy marketing, and we'll see you next time.